Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best solar panel USB mobile charger under rupees 300 or $5. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see a solar panel USB mobile charger, right? So with the solar panel you will get a USB connection available. So this is completely made in India product, and on the back side you can see some technical specifications, how much volt it will provide you. So here you can see here open circuit voltage 6 volts, rated voltage maximum to the 5 volts. So you can see the MRP price also, but on the online from the Amazon India itself you can get it for less than 300 rupees or less than $5. So let us see what we get inside the box. So on opening the box you will just get a solar plate or the panel. As you can see, this is a solar panel. As you can see here you will get some serial numbers, vendor names, and made in India. So it's mentioning the student solar ambassadors, and behind you can see here a micro USB cable as well as a female USB connector. So you can see here, so you can directly connect your any male USB connector, that is a type A USB connector that we use generally in the USB pen drives or any seen in the computers also. So you can use this male USB cable to connect with this solar panel. So after connecting it, you can directly charge your mobile smartphones or your respective USB device. So I will be taking this solar panel to the sunlight outside and we'll check out if this solar panel can really charge our mobile devices or any USB connected devices. So I'll be taking this in the sunlight to show you the live demo. So finally now you can see I've connected my solar panel outside of my house, directly facing to the sunlight. So right now you can see here it's unable to charge my portable USB fan. As you can see here red light indications, right? So I've connected with the USB male and female and directly connected to my USB fan. So it's charging directly from the solar panel, right? So let me insert the other cable also. So finally you can see here I have connected with the inbuilt micro USB cable. So you can see here it's still charging my USB portable fan. So definitely a very good solar USB mobile charger under rupees 300 or $5 that you should definitely check it out. So if you are in a need of the solar panel USB mobile charger, then definitely a very good options for you that you can try it out. So I will be leaving this product purchase link in the video description, so you can click there and visit to the website and you can check out about this awesome solar USB mobile charger that you can get it for less than rupees 300 or $5. So definitely a very cool application that you should check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.